first and foremost, we must understand that the vote chori is not restricted to Mahadevpura or Aland Assembly constituency or the Assembly constituency which record was released by Shri Rahul Gandhi of Maharashtra. The vote chori, the stealing of people's mandate, is a designed attack on India's constitution and democracy. The sinister forces of the BJP are taking away your right to elect a person of your choice. The designed conspiracy is to take away one man, one vote principle enshrined in the constitution by none less than Baba Sahib Ambedkar, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Baba Abul Kalam Azad, Dr. Rajendra Prasad and our freedom fighters. This designed attack is on the soul of this country and democracy of India. And that's why across the country, the Congress party has launched a signature campaign on vote chori against the forces of the BJP that have indulged in vote chori and a captive election commission of India that has remained a mute spectator and a participant. A part of that campaign is being today unveiled in Pulkeshwari Nagar. I and all Congress leaders, George Saab is here, all others are here, we will all be participating. As the data gets unveiled by Shri Rahul Gandhi in days to come, the entire nation would understand the extent of the attack on the constitution, on the right to vote, on democracy, and per se on the soul of India. Any questions? You're welcome.
Sir, your party has issued shockers notice to two leaders after making statements about the seat sharing, sir. Isn't it showing the dissent in the party?
There is absolutely no dissent in the party. Our PCC president, who also happens to be Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. D.K. Shivakumar, is fully authorized to ensure that everybody toes the party line and does not speak beyond their briefs. Some people get excited either on account of their emotions or otherwise and make statements which are beyond the remit and realm of party's discipline. That's why I have asked Shri D.K. Shivakumar to deal with them accordingly. Our job today in Karnataka is that people of Karnataka, our fellow brothers and sisters of Karnataka, they are given full participation in governance. The 5 Congress guarantees, which are the Congress government's guarantee program, are changing lives, transforming lives, reshaping lives, and have become a model to emulate for rest of the country.
ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಸುದ್ದಿ ಖಚಿತ, ನ್ಯಾಯ ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ.